The EX-83, a lightweight 30mm gun mount, high rate of fire, extremely fast reaction times, exceptional pointing accuracy. An advanced modular weapon system designed to be compatible with many of the advanced weapon control systems of today. The EX-83, a new weapon developed specifically for close-in defense against a broad range of high-speed, highly maneuverable aerial threats with a secondary capability against surface targets. In the summer of 1979, the General Electric Company of the United States made a commitment to demonstrate EX-83's ability to effectively counter the threat it was designed for: the high-speed maneuvering aerial target. Designated Shortstop, this demonstration combined the talents and resources of the General Electric Company with those of Hollandse Signalapparaten of the Netherlands, one of the world leaders in the design and production of advanced fire control systems. For demonstration Shortstop, Signal's advanced all-weather weapon control system called Flycatcher controlled the EX-83. Under development since 1974, EX-83 is an advanced prototype gun mount having over 27,000 rounds of test firing to date. The gun for the EX-83 is the 7-barrel GAU-8. Electrically driven at a firing rate of over 4,200 shots per minute, the GAU-8 gun operates on the Gatling principle, and together with its linkless feed system, has a reliability of over 20,000 lean rounds between failure. The gun and ammunition handling system is essentially the same as those in production by General Electric for the A-10 aircraft. Over 300 systems have been built to date. Both compact and lightweight, EX-83 weighs less than 4,000 kilograms or 8,800 pounds when loaded with a full complement of 1,190 ready rounds of ammunition. In addition, EX-83 has train and elevation, velocity and acceleration rates compatible with the reaction times of the most sophisticated fire control systems available. In fact, virtually all facets of the EX-83's design are directed towards one objective: countering the high-speed maneuvering aerial threat. GAU-8 ammunition presently consists of a high-explosive incendiary round, a full-bore round with sub-caliber armor-piercing incendiary projectile, and a target practice round. Since 1973, developments have been underway to optimize this round for the EX-83's mission. In this film sequence, a single 30mm kinetic energy discarding sabot round produced a high-order detonation of a scaled missile warhead. Similar results have also been obtained using the GAU-8 high-explosive round. This testing indicates the 30mm HE round may offer true multi-mission capability, effective against surface craft, aircraft, and anti-ship missiles, both present and future. Matching the EX-83's high-performance capabilities for demonstration Shortstop was Flycatcher, an advanced all-weather air defense fire control system in production for the defense of military airfields and large radar installations in the Netherlands. Flycatcher utilizes an X-band search radar with a target detection range of 20 kilometers and a dual-frequency tracking radar. Its capability for rapid target acquisition complements the EX-83's high-performance characteristics. Operated by one man, Flycatcher has a multi-target capability and can control any mix of up to 3 EX-83 and missile fire units. The average reaction time from first radar blip after target unmask to open fire command is less than 5 seconds. With the EX-83, this permits a 2-second burst of fire 120 rounds on a 250 meter per second target that unmasks as close as 2,100 meters. IFF is integrated. The X and Ka band tracking radar patented by Signal has a single antenna and provides accurate, unambiguous tracking at the lowest altitudes. An acoustic miss distance indicator, MDI, scored the sleeve targets with telemetry transmissions to a receiving station at the firing site. The circles in the MDI display indicated 1, 2, 4, and 8 meter diameter regions around the sensor. Den Helder, the Netherlands, November 13th, 1979. And over 100 military officers and government officials from NATO and allied countries are present for demonstration Shortstop. The demonstration itself consisted of dynamic firing against 3 targets. The first, an incoming 190-knot sleeve target flying at an altitude of 800 feet. Open fire range was 1,000 meters. Tracking runs were made prior to each firing run to assure proper target operation. MDI data from the first target indicated the mean point of impact of the 190-round burst to be very close to the center of the sleeve. Examination of the 4.5 meter long, 1/2 meter in diameter sleeve after the flight showed 18 individual projectile hits. The second firing run was another head-on sleeve target. MDI data from this second target again showed the mean point of impact of the burst to be very close to the sleeve's midpoint. Examination of this second target indicated 8 individual projectile hits. The third target was a 7.5-inch, 19-centimeter diameter missile type Rushton target towed by a B-57 Canberra. A crossing pattern was used with a target speed of 310 knots, an altitude of 800 feet, and a crossing range of 800 meters. Visual assessment of the firing indicated several hits on the target before the Rushton plunged into the sea. And thus demonstration Shortstop ended, with an enthusiastic response expressed by all observers to the EX-83's performance. A sequel to the Shortstop demonstration was a highly demanding dispersion test. In this test, 4 6-second bursts of 400 rounds each were fired at a 200-meter fixed target. The Royal Netherlands Army electronic measuring system recorded gun dispersion. Here again, the results were outstanding, with gun dispersion averaging 1.2 milliradians, 1 sigma standard deviation for the 4 bursts. Demonstration Shortstop, a test program which verified EX-83's capabilities. System integration, as a result of a cooperative effort between GE and Signal, accomplished in only 2 weeks. No major problem encountered. EX-83 reliability and maintenance. No gun stoppages recorded with over 27,000 rounds fired. Maintenance during the over 6,000 rounds fired in the Netherlands consisted of lubricating the gun twice. Overall firing accuracy, excellent. On the day of the demonstration, hits were scored on all targets. This included 3 crossing Rushton targets and 7 incoming sleeve targets. Dispersion test. In 4 6-second bursts, 1,600 rounds total. The average gun dispersion measured at 1.2 milliradians. Demonstration Shortstop. Proof of the availability of a fully operational integrated 30mm weapon system with the capability to counter the most difficult aerial threats.